I just had the most amazing dream.
Yeah?
I was at a rave, and
Michael,
I had
it
this
was-
massive sword.
Michael?
And then everyone started screaming.
It wasn't a dream, Michael. I need you to stay calm, buddy, okay? Keep it together, okay? Okay, calm down. Hey, Michael! Have I ever allowed things to be not okay?
Robert Tully, is that you?
Mrs. Franziska, hi.
What the hell is a Mrs. Franziska?
Boy, I would love to stay and chat, but we're in such a terrible hurry.
Well, you're not going anywhere with that radiator. You can just pop into the house and get some water for your car. Is your friend okay?
Oh, he's fine. Mentor. I'm his mentor. He has autism spectrum disorder. He's terrified of getting out of the car in front of a stranger. Well, let's just get some of that water you were telling me about.